Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And today's video we're going to get the rear tyre done on Bonnie, and going to get that knocking knife looked at as well. So early morning drop it into Marcus and hopefully he gets it fixed, and I'll bring you along with me. So let's jump on Bonnie first and then head into Marcus's. So good news, Bonnie is ready. I don't know what has been done to Bonnie. I know it's the back tyre, but I don't know if he's had a look at the knocking eyes or whatever. So we're going to go in, get a lift in, and then we're going to have a look. So let's head in. Okay, so back tyre is done. The repair update is new back tyre. So it's a Bridgestone Battle Axe tyre, and it's been fitted. And then there was a tight spot in the chain as well, and also the back axle was a bit tight, so we put a bit of grease on that just to free it up a bit more, and that's done the trick as well. Well, hopefully it's done the trick when I bring it off for a spin. And then, like I said, there was a tight spot in the chain as well, and he sorted that out as well. And also I need a new front tyre, so that front tyre is not completely gone, but it's on the way out now. New tyres all together, front and back, and they're all Bridgestone as well. So happy days. Now going to take it for a spin. Not going to go too mad because you have to wear them in for a while. But yeah, happy enough. So it was 144 for the tyre and 30 for fitting. And next week I think it's 128 for the front tyre, and again around 30 for fitting. So happy days. Let's go. Now, so I'm back now from the spin. Marcus seems to be happy with the gears and stuff like that, and saying that when I was going on the spin, there was no issue with the gears. They were clicking right into place, unlike they haven't been for the last couple of weeks. I think that's right English. Anyway, they're working so much better now. Next week then we have a front tire ordered, and hopefully get that fitted by next weekend. If not, it'll be a few days after anyway, but we're on the right track. We can get off doing more adventures now, and new pair of shoes for the winter. Happy days. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, and until the next time, Deise Rebel out.